Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to get Facebook dating back after deleting it. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon. This is usually at the bottom right if you're using an iPhone or at the top right if you're on Android. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the dating feature. If you see it, tap it. Facebook dating should now be active again. If you don't see it listed, go to the top of the screen and tap the search icon. Type in the word dating. You should see Facebook dating in the search results. Tap it to open. This will bring you back into Facebook dating. If you still don't see the feature, try clearing the app's data. On an iPhone, go to your phone settings. Scroll down and tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. Find the Facebook app in the list and tap it. Now choose Offload App. After it's done, reinstall the app by tapping it again. On Android, go to your phone's settings. Tap Apps, find Facebook in the list, tap Storage, then tap Clear Data and Clear Cache. Now go back to the Facebook app and check again. You should now be able to access Facebook dating. That's how you can get Facebook dating back after deleting it. Thanks for watching.